Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video today just to show you how you guys can get started with an AI coder for free. So here you can see that I have my Windows desktop set up. This is a completely fresh copy of Windows. Um, and I'll demonstrate how you can get it set up really easily. So I'm demonstrating on Windows, but you should be able to use any operating system because these tools are supported and everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to this website. So you need to go to aistudio.google.com. So I'm currently logged in here now. So you just go to this URL and you'll be prompted. You can log in with your Google account. It's free. There's no cost to sign up for this. So you end up on this page, this new chat page, and you can test the models in here for free. But what you want to do is go to this get API key. So down here, you can see I already have a key created. What you need to do is just create a new one. And you you'll probably have some projects in here. If not, you can create a new one. But I'll just select, it doesn't really matter what you select here. Just click one and you'll generate your API key. So copy this key and save it somewhere because you'll need it later. And once it's shown here, it'll never show to you again. So make sure you save it in case you want to use it in the future. So after you get that key, go back to your Windows. And what we want to do is install a tool called VSCode, which you've probably heard about. But if you haven't, we can install it with this command. So go ahead and just install VSCode. Okay, so we got that loaded. So now we can just go to the start menu, just type code. And it loads up VSCode. So what we're going to use today is a tool called Roo Code. So if you just go to this extension icon down here, go and search, just type Roo, R-O-O. And the first link you should see is this Roo Code. So it should look like this. Just hit the install button, trust it. And now we have Roo Code installed. So as you can see, it installed this little kangaroo down here. So click that. So when you first start up, it's going to ask for your key. So what you want to do is select Google Gemini from the API provider. And then this is where you enter that key that you got from the AI Studio page. Don't click this. And then in the model, make sure you click Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental 325. So these experimental ones that only put EXP, these mean that they're free. Google doesn't charge for use for these. And luckily, this is the most latest model that's really good at coding. So this is the one you want to use anyway. So I just select that, hit the let's go, and now you are set up. Allow that. And now let me just go create test files. Let's go make some test files here. And then we can open it with code dot. So we'll open into this, open a new version, or a new copy of VS Code. Now we can go to Roo Code again. Okay, so now it's asking what we want web to do. Just close this. So what I like to do, I just hit this auto approve. This will just make it easier. Just select all of these options. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I just select all of these just for the easiest coding. Now what you can do is just tell them what you want to do. So let's say I want to make a Space Invaders and now spans and chips. Okay, so we'll give it that. And now you can see this task window pops up in Roo Code. It's showing you how many tokens are going back and forth in the context window. As you can see, the Gemini 2.5 model has a 1 million token context window, which is really big for AI models. So that should help you if you get into really large projects. This project's pretty small, so the context window doesn't matter too much. So we're definitely not going to go over 1 million tokens. So as you can see, it's just writing the code for us. So it's creating, if you created this style.cs, now it's creating the script.js, saving everything. So as you can see, created the basic structure. Now he's adding the extra features into the game. Yeah, so as you can see, it takes a little while to do this, but it has completed now. So we can go back to our files. So here's our files. So you can see these are the files it created. Let's just run the index.html. Select edge. And as you can see, here's a Space Invaders game. So it created all this in just a couple minutes, all AI. So yeah, it's really good. It has score and Space Invaders, and we can die. So yeah, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions or have any issues getting this to work, just leave some comments below. I'll be glad to jump in, help you out. Or if you just come up with some other cool ideas, just leave them in the comments. I'd like to hear about them. So thanks for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.